What's that? A wand so big that you have to film the box sideways? Oh boy, I'm Sailor Tortilla and I collect a lot of Sailor Moon stuff. Check out all of my shiny wands. Yes, I got one more and I'm extremely excited. It's one of the premier wands from Giant Box from the Sailor Moon Cosmos movies. I'm a big fan of the Sailor Star season, so this is as close as I'm gonna get to that wand. Anyway, I got it from Anime Osaka and they were kind enough to ship it super quick. I heard that some retailers are shipping this out in just the inner Bandai Namco box. That's a little problematic. Let me know if you face that. Yes, it says Eternal Tiare in case you were confused, but it's the largest one. Anyway, I like that it has a plastic bag around it to make it easy to take it out. I feel like I'm holding one of those boba tea bags. Yeah, I'm about to, well, this looks a little weird. This is a weird way of pulling off plastic, but hey, I'm suffering trying to make this work. I'm really happy to have this though. In the 90s, I never got this toy because it never made it to the US, so this is like my dream, except I wish it was red, but more about that later. Anime pose. Yeah, again, really hard to show you guys the box, so here's some B-roll footage. It's got the wand with the light off on the front, and then the light on the side, and then it's got, see, light off. I'm talking about the ball. I really love the cosmic effects. I love these blue boxes. And there it is with the light on. And the box simulates like you're looking at the back of it. So if you want to just display the box, I mean, that's cool too. I love that it has the picture on the front. That's something that the early Proplicas didn't do. Here's some of the key logos like Sailor Moon Cosmos. One side does actually show you how does it display, what do the lights look like. There's about 4 primary colors like yellow and blue. There's that important Toei sticker, always with the Toei sticker. That's how you know it's official. I haven't seen bootleg Proplica wands yet, so I guess you're Gucci. This one opens a little weird. It kind of just pops out of these little cardboard pegs. This is me trying to see the box as I'm showing you the box. Oh, we've got 2 silhouettes. I'm sure that it says like the moonlight brings a message of love or starlight therapy kiss or something. If you speak Japanese, let me know. It's fully assembled inside. It comes with 2 kind of blister packs, and here are the stands. There's just 2, very simple, with the holy chalice and the other piece, which is kind of nothing. No design, but it'll hold your wand, and that's all you need. The back is not cute. Do not show people the back of it. But like all Proplicas, it's interesting. Okay, so first impressions that I have right now are I am thankful this is 2 pieces of plastic. That would have been frustrating to take off, just like the box. And, oh. Super top heavy. This is literally like my first time opening this, but I did hear that the white plastic was a little bit different. Like, it's not smooth. If you can hear my hand going over it, my hands are fairly moisturized because it's not smooth. It's beautiful. Wow. I mean, it's big. I like that that is iridescent. I don't like that I can see a seam right there, but that's fine. It's neat. I mean, it feels like a powerful staff. I'm gonna go find the buttons. I think this is a button. Nope. Is this a, oh, some of these are buttons. I'm trying to locate the speakers. I assume they might be in there. It looked almost like there was tissue inside of here, by the way. There's not. I'm gonna touch these a lot. I wanna touch these a whole bunch, these little bumps. Just wanna touch the bumps. Just looking at it, without reading the instructions, I can't figure out where anything goes. It feels pretty heavy in this area. I'm assuming this is where the electronic components would be. I think it's weird that that's not a button, but I guess it would make more sense to play them from here. Instruction time. Regarding the wall, see, I thought wrong, clearly, that I could put this as so. It's not gonna work. Well, I certainly feel magical, I'll tell you that much. I really wish it was red. Some of the gold paint's kind of funny. You may notice the paint has just the gold paint has some textures. I mean, gold paint is tough. Any metallic paint is tough, but I do notice some weirdness. And what I meant about the silver crystal is, see, this is very, very see-through. It's nice, it's really nice. It's like a bubble. More like a bubble than a crystal, but it's nice. It doesn't not look like a magic crystal. It definitely looks magic. All right, let's figure this out. By figuring it out, we mean reading the instructions. All right, this is gonna tell you about the movie. It's what it looks like in the movie. It's got colors, it's got a stand. If only it told us when the movie was coming out in the US. Music, there's music. Oh. Okay, we're gonna hold here for a second. I need to understand, oh. You're gonna wanna screen cap that, and so am I. This is hibernate mode? Oh boy, okay. Oof, you didn't see any of those figures fall down. So it says I can remove, lift. Ah! Okay, that's what that looks like. This is what it looks like when you remove the cover. Little dot is low volume. 2 dots are higher volume. I'm gonna put it on higher volume. I can't really tell what that is. And this is gonna stop the batteries from working, so we're gonna pull that, but I'm gonna put it on loud volume. Nothing yet. Uh-huh. My arm's gonna get tired demonstrating this. 1 second. And if anybody's wondering why we're filming this on the love sack, it's because... What? Okay, Usagi just yelled a whole lot of things about her friends, and yeah, that was a little scary. Anyway, this has got a lot of sounds. It's going to be very complicated. A changes the mode, and B makes it make the sounds. And there's pink mode, yellow mode, and purple mode. Purple mode plays the theme songs. So this is A. Do I have to wake it or something? Without any operation in 90 seconds, it goes into hibernate mode with Eternal Sailor Moon's special line. To restart it, press and hold one of the buttons. Lighting mode. Press and hold A, it stays white. Every time you press A, it'll change the color. Man, this is really complicated. Let's try light mode, I guess. So if I hold, this is light mode. So I can use it for cosplay. What other colors do I have to choose from? Oh, that's it. Okay, let's get out of that mode. 14 different sounds. Get out of town. Okay. Music. Sounds coming in this direction. It's like some epic choral music, but if you haven't seen Cosmos, it doesn't mean zip, right? It's really intense, guys. I think that's when her wand broke in the movie. Yo, she was giving it her all. She sounded sad. The background music's going to change soon with one of these. It's probably going to be with this one. Different music that I don't recognize. Okay, while that's happening, so the next button press is going to change the music again. No lights. Okay, and now a different other song. I mean, it's cool, but I don't recognize it from Sailor Moon. I mean, it's lovely if it's in the movie. All right, talk to me, Sailor Moon. This is the last line on mode A. It also says if you press and hold B, you can play the previous line, which is something that was missing on the other Proplicas, so hold. It works. All right, yellow mode. Shh. Shh. Yellow mode time. Oh man, it's going to be background music D again, which we already heard. That's the same music we heard on mode 1, and she's gonna do new lines, more different dialogues. And I'll tell you how many. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 new lines, and then new background music we hadn't heard, and then a 7th new line. She's talking about belief and fighting. Tatakai, Tatakai. Yeah, hi, I'm just here to stop and say the speaker kind of sucks on this one. Which is kind of weird. I'll grab another one, but it kind of sucks. New song. If only I recognized it from the classic show. I'm like yelling at this like it can react. It can't. All right. Final line on mode B. Okay. The following mode is where the theme songs are at. There's song 1, song 2, and Happy Marriage. This button's kind of annoying. I've had to hit it like multiple times to get it to register. Oh, it's... Yes. Didn't we get that song on the Proplica brooch too? Want it on this one? That's the remake of the song, probably. Did this one have the remake? I can't remember. Yeah, that's the remake. I just want to check if the other one was playing the remake of the original song, too. Is it the remake or is it not? It's also the remake. So both of these have the same song clip. Okay. Now I know where we stand. I know where we stand, Proplica Wand. All right, show me the happy wedding. Y'all are like, what the hell is a happy wedding? You'll know when you see the movie. I'm not gonna get copyright striked for this. Are they talking? I think Usagi's talking at the same time. It's weird. Ding dong. Have a happy marriage forever. You're done? Cool. Does this scale the same? Does it? I don't know. Does it? Boop. Okay. I'm actually not unhappy with this. I think it looks just like in the movie, which I keep pretending like I haven't seen Cosmos, and I've totally seen Cosmos. Just waiting for it to come out officially. Anyway, I mean, it could have been longer. It could have had an extender. It could have like split here. I genuinely think they could have made this bigger. Yeah, it's huge. It's huge. The box is huge. Like, everybody's happy with it because it makes that thing look super small. I'm gonna go here like Star Wars kid. Let's go to light mode. This one's getting a re-release this year. This one already got re-released. That's the re-release. No re-release of this little puppy. Yep, that's the re-release, and that's the original. Well, I mean, the difference between these two is really obvious, so. Do I look like Usagi? I know you're supposed to look at Eternal in the top right, but I also know that there's a bunch of stuff on the floor. I'm still not done with my collection room. She's here. So it really bothers me that it's not a staff. I'm sorry. Online, everyone, okay, I'm getting close now because everybody's been saying how amazing it is because it's so big. Because it is so big. It is the biggest Proplica, but it doesn't look like Sailor Moon's. Hers is huge. So it's smaller than in the show. In the show, it's bigger. It's supposed to be a prop replica. Look at how big hers is. And that's the classic one. Let's not bring that into the conversation. Let's talk about how big it is for the cartoon. This is as close as I'll ever get to owning that wand. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. But let me know if you've got tips for putting it on the wall. Because to illustrate, I use these broom holders. But they hold it pretty flat against the thingy. But this big old round halo is kind of sticky outy. So help me figure this out. Bye.